In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TradingView desktop app on your computer. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can set up the application smoothly and start using it in no time. Let's begin by navigating to TradingView's desktop page. Open your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com/desktop. This will bring you to the download section where you'll find options tailored to your specific operating system. If you're using Windows, you'll want to click on the Download for Windows button. For Mac users, there's an option for macOS, and Linux enthusiasts will find their respective button available as well. After selecting the appropriate download link, keep an eye on the bottom of your browser window or head directly to your Downloads folder. Here, you'll find the installer file that you just downloaded. For those on Windows, you should see a file with a name that reflects the app version, like a typical .x file. Go ahead and double-click on this file to kickstart the installation process. Now, Windows users might encounter a user account control prompt. This is simply Windows confirming that you want to install the application. It's a standard security measure, so just click Yes when asked if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Follow any other on-screen instructions until you see an option to click Install. This process should be straightforward, and TradingView will take care of the rest in the background. For those using a Mac, the installation is equally straightforward, just slightly different in execution. Once you download the macOS version, usually in the form of a DMG file, open it and drag the TradingView app icon into your Applications folder. This effectively installs the app on your Mac and gets you ready to start charting and analyzing right away. Once the installation is complete, you can launch TradingView directly. Windows users will find it conveniently located in the Start menu or as a shortcut on the desktop. macOS users can easily locate TradingView in the Applications folder. Open it up, and you'll be greeted by the user-friendly interface TradingView is known for. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to install the TradingView desktop app tailored to your operating system. By following these steps, you should now have TradingView ready to go, offering a powerful tool for your trading and market analysis needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring all the features TradingView has to offer. Happy trading!